The Innovation Celebration Project was adapted from the Texas Performance Standards Projects, an open educational resource. We mapped the prompts and scaffolds from the lesson plan into our interactive project management platform, enabling teachers to assign our digital version of the project to their students, while empowering students to collaborate within the Project Pals platform rather than on worksheets. The project guides groups of students in understanding the process of innovation, culminating with the team creating an original idea or object that satisfies a need or addresses a problem. Students will begin by brainstorming and defining the terms innovation, innovator, inventor, and invention. Next, they will choose a key innovation of the 20th century, reflecting on the innovations that preceded the invention and the outcomes following the innovation. Students will develop an understanding and appreciation of the contribution of innovations by researching an innovator and one of their innovations. They will create a timeline about the innovation and innovator, recording major events before the release of the innovation and how the world changed after its launch. At this point, students will work together to create their own innovation. They will conduct a survey of their peers to determine societal needs, and based on the survey results, brainstorm ideas and select one idea to flesh out, describing what problem the idea solves, the potential impact of the idea, and how to approach executing on the idea. Students will then research and see if there's a similar idea or product already in existence that solves the same problem. And if there are, how can that product be improved? Next up is prototyping. Students will determine what materials are needed to prototype and will document step by step how to create the prototype. After creating the prototype, it's time to test. Students will document their testing methodology and provide their testing audience with a survey to provide feedback on the performance of the prototype. Based on the results of the survey, the team will determine how to improve their innovation. After implementing the improvements, students will retest their innovation, documenting their iterative testing and the variables that changed for each test. Students will conclude the project by focusing on marketing. They will name the product, design a logo, brainstorm packaging solutions, and outline an advertising campaign for the product. By the end of the project, students will have a deep understanding of the process of innovation and how to go from idea to prototype and eventually to market. This is a great introduction for the collaborative innovators of tomorrow. Ready to get started? Watch a brief tutorial video to clone and assign this project to your class.